So that right there was when he let the release the parking brake. All right, pump your toes a couple times. Okay, wait till the pump stops. Okay, now pull the pump your toe.
No.
Now let go. Now release the parking brake.
He likes to talk to you a little bit.
It does. Okay.